Infinite solutions.
Ever wondered what it's like to cruise on the icon of the seas? Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of the ocean, spending your day exploring diverse destinations, and dining under a canopy of stars. This is the magic of a cruise voyage. Today, we're going to embark on a comprehensive journey, delving into the intricacies of planning and experiencing a cruise on the icon of the seas. From budget planning and cabin selection to the thrilling onboard activities and exquisite dining options, we're going to cover it all. We'll also touch on the additional expenses you may encounter and how to prepare before departure. Finally, we'll guide you through the day-to-day onboard experience and ensure you're ready for post-cruise procedures. With this guide, you'll have everything you need to navigate your cruise adventure with confidence. Ready to explore the thrill of cruising? Let's dive into the preparation phase. A successful cruise journey starts with a well-thought-out plan. The first step is to estimate your budget. Consider the cabin type you'd prefer, your dining preferences, onboard activities you'd like to try, and room for a few extras. Whether you're a fan of the cozy inside cabins or you're all about the luxury of a suite, each option comes with a different price tag. Next, it's time to choose your cruise. How long do you want to sail the seas? A week perhaps, or maybe 2? Destination is key too. Are you dreaming of Caribbean beaches, or is the allure of Alaskan glaciers calling your name? And let's not forget about departure dates. Do you want to escape the winter chill or take a break from the summer heat? With your budget set and your cruise selected, the anticipation for the journey ahead begins to build. With a clear plan, it's time to book your cruise and select your cabin. Booking your cruise is a breeze, and there are several cabin options to suit every budget. So, let's dive into the details. First off, we have the inside cabin. It's the most budget-friendly option, with no windows and a cost estimate of between $700 to $900 per person. It's a great choice if you're planning to spend most of your time exploring the ship or soaking up the sun on deck. Next up is the ocean view cabin. This one features a window or porthole, giving you a slice of the seascape right from your room. It's a bit more expensive, ranging from $1,000 to $1,200 per person. If you fancy a private outdoor space, the balcony cabin is your best bet, with costs varying from $1,400 to $1,800 per person. You can enjoy your morning coffee or evening glass of wine while watching the waves. Finally, for those seeking luxury, there's the suite. With extra amenities and a price tag ranging from $2,000 to $5,000 per person, it's the pinnacle of comfort and convenience on board. Once you've chosen your cabin, it's time to book. You can do this directly on the cruise line's website or through a travel agent. Both options are straightforward and user-friendly. But hold on, don't forget to factor in travel insurance. It's a crucial part of your budget. While we all hope for smooth sailing, insurance gives you that peace of mind, covering you for unexpected events or cancellations. So, there you have it. Your ticket to a world of adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable experiences. Booking your cruise isn't just about securing a spot on the ship. It's about choosing the kind of journey you want to embark on. Now that you've secured your spot, let's explore the exciting activities waiting for you on board. The Icon of the Seas offers a plethora of activities to keep you entertained throughout your journey. Imagine waking up each morning to a new adventure awaiting you. Whether you're cruising solo, with a partner, or with a family, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into what's included in your cruise fare. You can start your day with a refreshing dip in one of the several pools on board. If you're a fitness enthusiast, the basic fitness facilities equipped with state-of-the-art machines will keep you on track with your routines. And when the sun goes down, the ship comes alive with dazzling shows. From Broadway-style performances to live music, you'll be spoiled for choice every night. But the fun doesn't stop there. For those looking to indulge in a little extra, there's a whole world of activities at an additional cost. Treat yourself to a day of pampering at the spa, where you can choose from a variety of treatments. Or perhaps you'd like to explore the local culture and scenery with an off-ship excursion. These are carefully curated trips that take you to the heart of each destination, promising a truly immersive experience. And let's not forget the specialty dining options on board. These come at an extra cost but offer a unique culinary journey. Whether you're in the mood for Italian, French, or Asian cuisine, you'll find a restaurant that caters to your cravings. The cost for these specialty dining options can range from $50 to $200 per activity. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between relaxation and adventure. Plan your days to include a mix of activities, giving you the chance to explore, unwind, and make the most of your time on board. After a day filled with activities, you'll surely work up an appetite. Let's talk about dining options. Dining on board is a delightful experience with a variety of options to choose from. Now, let's dive into the mouth-watering details. Every cruise ticket includes access to a buffet and the main dining room. The buffet is a casual affair with a smorgasbord of international dishes. It's open throughout the day, so whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you'll always find something to satiate your hunger. The main dining room, on the other hand, offers a more formal dining experience. Here, you'll be treated to a rotating menu of gourmet meals, each thoughtfully prepared and beautifully presented. But perhaps you're in the mood for something a little more special. In that case, you might like to explore the specialty dining options. These restaurants offer unique and exotic cuisines, from Italian trattorias to Japanese sushi bars, and from French bistros to Brazilian steakhouses. Each restaurant is a culinary journey in its own right, transporting your taste buds to different corners of the world. Specialty dining does come at an extra cost, but it's worth every penny. Expect to pay anywhere from $20 to $100 per person per meal, depending on the restaurant and the meal. It's a small price to pay for a memorable dining experience that will linger on your palate long after the voyage has ended. Of course, if you have special dietary needs, you'll be well catered for. Most cruise lines offer vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and other dietary options. Just remember to communicate your dietary needs at the time of booking, so the cruise line can accommodate you. Dining on board is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's the thrill of trying new dishes, the delight of returning to old favorites, and the joy of sharing these moments with loved ones. It's a chance to savor the journey as much as the destination. With your appetite satisfied, let's consider some additional expenses you might encounter. While most amenities are included, there are a few extra costs you should anticipate. Let's talk about those. Beverage packages are a common additional expense. These packages cover a variety of drinks, from non-alcoholic beverages to cocktails and fine wines. Depending on your preference, these could range from $30 to $70 per day. But wait, there's more. Internet packages are another consideration. The cost of these can vary widely based on your data needs. If you're someone who needs to stay connected, factor this into your budget. And let's not forget about shopping and the casino. These are discretionary costs, meaning they're entirely up to you. If you're a fan of retail therapy or trying your luck at the casino, make sure to allocate a portion of your budget for these activities. With all expenses considered, it's time to pack your bags and travel to the departure port. Remember, a well-planned cruise experience is a memorable one. Before you set sail, there are a few more things to take care of. Let's start with packing. You'll want to think about your destinations and the kind of activities you'll be doing. Do you need swimsuits for the beach, hiking boots for an excursion, or a fancy outfit for a formal night on board? Don't forget to pack essentials like your passport, medications, and a good book for those relaxing sea days. Now let's talk about getting to the departure port. Whether you're driving or flying, you'll want to factor in the cost of travel. If you're flying, remember to account for baggage fees. And if you're driving, don't forget to consider the cost of parking at the port. You might also want to arrive a day early to avoid any last-minute travel stress and to give yourself a buffer in case of any unexpected delays. Now that you're all set, let's embark on the journey and explore the day-to-day onboard experience. On board the Icon of the Seas, every day is a new adventure. As the sun rises, a fresh day of exploration and excitement unfolds. The key to making the most of your time on board is balance. A harmonious blend of activities, dining experiences, and relaxation will create an unforgettable journey. Start your day by reviewing the daily planner, delivered to your cabin each evening. This comprehensive guide outlines the day's activities, from art auctions and trivia contests to cooking demonstrations and dance classes. You might find yourself learning a new craft, breaking a sweat in a Zumba class, or even indulging in a wine tasting session. However, do not forget to carve out some time for relaxation. Unwind by the pool with a good book, soak in the hot tub, or simply gaze out at the endless expanse of ocean from your private balcony. Remember, this is your vacation, so take the time to breathe, relax, and soak in the serenity. When it comes to dining, reservations for specialty restaurants can be made in advance or on the day. Perhaps an intimate dinner at the Italian trattoria, or a gastronomic journey at the Asian fusion restaurant. Whichever you choose, be sure to book ahead to secure your preferred dining time. Now let's talk about port excursions. Each stop offers a unique chance to explore new cultures, landscapes, and cuisines. Whether you're drawn to ancient ruins, bustling markets, or tranquil beaches, there's an excursion tailored to your interests. Booking in advance ensures you get your top choice, but onboard booking is also an option for those who prefer to keep their schedule flexible. As evening falls, the ship comes alive with Broadway-style shows, live music, and cinema under the stars. After a full day of activities and exploration, these entertainment options are the perfect way to cap off a memorable day. As your cruise journey comes to an end, let's go through the disembarkation process and travel home. Leaving the icon of the seas can be bittersweet, but it's important to follow the ship's procedures. Like all good things, our cruise journey too must come to an end. As we disembark, we must remember that every ship has its own unique protocol. Typically, you'll receive a newsletter or announcement the night before, detailing the process. It's usually a staggered departure, organized by deck or cabin category to ensure a smooth transition. Now let's talk about the journey home. Whether you're flying or driving, it's crucial to make sure you've arranged your transportation in advance. This will make your return to land as seamless as possible, keeping post-vacation stress at bay. If you've booked a shuttle through the cruise line, you'll likely have a specific departure time to adhere to. With your cruise journey completed, let's recap the total estimated cost. Budgeting for your cruise ensures a smooth and stress-free journey. Let's go over our budget recap for our comprehensive journey on the Icon of the Seas. A well-planned budget is key for a seamless cruise experience, ensuring that you can enjoy everything your heart desires without any unexpected surprises. Starting with the cabin selection, if you're on a tight budget, the inside cabin is your best bet, costing between $700 to $900 per person. If you're craving a view of the vast ocean, the Ocean View cabin might be more your speed, at a cost of around $1,000 to $1,200 per person. Craving a bit of luxury? The balcony cabin with its private balcony comes in at around $1,400 to $1,800 per person. And for those seeking the ultimate indulgence, the suite offers extra amenities, with prices ranging from $2,000 to $5,000 per person. Moving on to onboard activities, remember that while shows, pools, and basic fitness facilities are included in your cruise fare, specialty dining, spa treatments, and excursions come at an extra cost. Budget between $50 to $200 per activity to ensure you can enjoy these extra delights. When it comes to dining, while the buffet and main dining room are included, specialty restaurants offering unique cuisines can cost anywhere from $20 to $100 per person per meal. So if you're a foodie, plan accordingly. Don't forget those additional expenses. Beverage packages can cost between $30 to $70 per day, and the cost of internet packages varies. If you're planning on indulging in some shopping or trying your luck at the casino, allocate a discretionary budget for these as well. Your pre-departure costs will also include travel to the departure port, so remember to factor in airfare or transportation costs. With this comprehensive guide, you're now ready to embark on your cruise journey on the Icon of the Seas. Bon voyage!
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.